Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into wellness habits that genuinely transform lives. Today, let's talk about something powerful yet beautifully simple: daily meditation. If you're wondering, can just a few minutes of meditation really make a difference? I'm here to tell you, yes, and the science backs it up. Let's break it down. Just 5 minutes a day can start to reshape your mind and body. Recent studies show a short 5-minute mindfulness session significantly reduces stress hormones like cortisol. Harvard University research highlighted noticeable drops in stress levels and improved concentration within just 2 weeks of regular practice. Imagine reducing anxiety and boosting your mood in less time than it takes to make a cup of tea. That's the power of 5 minutes. Now, what happens if you double that time to 10 minutes? A 2021 study found that consistent 10-minute meditation enhances cognitive function, improves emotional resilience, and even lowers risks associated with cardiovascular health issues. Clearer mind, better memory, and improved overall wellness, simply by dedicating 10 minutes a day to meditation. Ready to elevate your practice to 20 minutes? Here's where incredible transformations occur. Science confirms that 20-minute daily meditation sessions significantly boost emotional regulation, empathy, and even reduce chronic pain. Studies show regular meditators experience increased gray matter density, directly linked to emotional regulation and self-awareness. Imagine improved relationships, less chronic pain, greater emotional stability, and a happier life, all achievable with just 20 minutes of meditation a day. Whether it's 5, 10, or 20 minutes, daily meditation has powerful benefits for your health and well-being. Ready to start? Tell me about your meditation goals or experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more inspiring wellness videos. Stay mindful, stay happy. I'll see you in the next video.